Kuma muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Boniface Mwangi oneka kiumia utuko ari Tanzania akiuga muturire wake uri hatikaine ndakoretwo akimenyeka kuri ari o nginya family yake muthenya wa Jumatano iraumira kuria thirikari igirire uhoro uyu. Aramithi rucine ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu ikibanga kururungana nja ya wabici ya ubarothi wa Tanzania guthingiriria kurekio gwake niguo riboti cia kuoneka gwake atiganeirio kaunti-ini ya Kwale ciumirite.
Bonnie was dropped in Horohoro border post, and he found his way up to Lungalunga and got transport and Kelef picked him up. I called Kelef and he picked him up.
Kwenda hawezi, maana akasema dipliko huko chini kwenye nyayo akaweza hata kugusa nini. Lakini sasa swala tunataka kusema kwamba haya mambo ya haki ya human rights is universal. Hakuna human right ya Kenya au human rights ya Tanzania.
Ugete mari hamwe na muteteri ungi wa ihoto uretwo Agatha kuma bururi-ini wa Uganda ni marahurirwo na kunyamario na njira nene thutha wa kunyitwo ni thirikari ya Tanzania.
I have gone through very 4 dark days. I have been tortured very badly. I can barely walk. But I'm very concerned about Agatha because we were tortured together and they did very horrible things to us. So I hope that Agatha is safe.
Nishie kwaru nake agutetera ihoto makumithitie na gukirira thirikari ya ngwataniro ya bururi wa Tanzania rungu rwa utongoria wa President Samia Suluhu.
He was badly tortured in Tanzania, and every time they were doing this they kept making reference to the president, asking him to say asante mama Samia as they were torturing him.
Mbere ya kuoneka gwake ndumiriri kuma kuri ministry ya maundu manja ya bururi ithitagirire thirikari ya bururi wa Tanzania kuhitha uhoro wigie kuria ari thengia wa mageria ma kumukinyira undu uria tatwaranite na ndumiriri ya ministry-ini no Musalia Mudavadi.
We have been engaging through diplomatic channels, and we've engaged with the Tanzanian authorities, including very early today.
Gatagati ga gicajama giki athiriti ya hakuhi ya President Ruto nao ni maiguikite kuruta ndumiriri cia kunyitanira na maria makorete Mwangi ari Tanzania.
Na munaona wamepeleka tabia mbaya Tanzania. Sisi tunataka kuheshimu majirani nchi zetu za nje. Nyinyi wa Kenya hapa kutoka South Mugirango, hao watu ambaye wako na bad manners wafungwe wasifungwe.
Mwangi akireho Nairobi hwaini wa muthenya wa Aramithi kwamukira urigiti kumana na nguraro iria ari nacio gikundi kia Pan African Progressive Leaders Solidarity Network nikiandikire ngwataniro ya mabũrũri ma Africa AU, Commission ya ihoto cia umundu wa Africa, urumo wa mabũrũri ma Africa ya irathiro EAC na ngwataniro ya ukuria wa Africa ya muhuro SADC magitetia kiria marauga ni wagarari wa ihoto ni thirikari ya Tanzania kuri Boniface Mwangi hamwe na ahuraniri angi a ihoto aria mathite Tanzania guthikiriria cira wa mutongoria wa mungethaniro Tundu Lissu. Thiko ithano cia kira gikoretwo kihana ngucanio gatagati ga bururi wa Kenya na Tanzania, muteteri wa ihoto Boniface Mwangi ni arekereirio thirikari ya bururi wa Tanzania ikihanda na kuga ati matigwitikiria mitugo itahagireire gutwarwo kwao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma nja ya wabici cia ubarothi wa Tanzania gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.